everyone, this is Shirabhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is my booktube channel, The Caffeinated Reader. I hope you are all doing very well and are in great health and happiness. So first of all, a very happy Pride Month to you guys, anyone from the LGBTQ community. If you are watching this, a very happy Pride Month to you. And I know I am a little late to bring out this video, but blame it on my university because they were giving us tons of assignments and then we had exams. So keeping the sanity intact and doing all those stuffs and to bring out a video was not possible. So finally there's a relief that side. So I thought, why not make a video, because it is a really good great thing for me to encourage the LGBTQ community in any way I can, or to make their life even a little better by my recommendations. If I can to normalize their sexuality, their orientations and all, if my recommendation helps it in any way. So before I go into the video, first of all I would like to talk about Pride Month a little. We all know June is the Pride Month, like most of the countries follow June as the Pride Month. Of course they had this riot which led to the origin of Pride Month, but whatever be the reason, June is mostly followed as the Pride Month, where the LGBTQ people come out and show their love, self-respect, self-love, self-appreciation to the other we call normal people out there, to all those people, to the straight people out there. So this is their month of showing their self-love, self-appreciation, and it is such a good gesture. Like we can't even imagine being ashamed of being the way we are. Like I am a female, or I am a woman or lady, whatever you say it, so I don't feel ashamed to say I am that. But think about a transgender, the type of sufferings they have to go through to just say express their identity, the humiliations they go through, the kind of crisis, identity crisis they go through. Same for the lesbian people, gay people, and normalizing it is the first step towards being a human, towards having a humane approach towards all other humans. And so yes, that's about it. I am really happy that India is also gaining momentum in the Pride parade and Pride Month and all that. Of course many other countries like Russia and all have in May month their Pride Month and all of those things, but most of the countries follow June as the Pride Month. So keeping that in view, I am bringing out my recommendations of Pride Month on this June month itself. So the first book I want to recommend you on this Pride Month is this book, Aristotle and Dante Discovers the Secrets of the Universe, by Benjamin Allaire Sainz. Now if you are into Bookstagram and if you are into Booktube, and then you have definitely heard about this book, and I have not come across a single individual who have talked negatively about this book, because there is nothing to talk negatively about. It is about two people in love, mind, two people. I am not saying about gender because gender doesn't come in love. Two people, Dante and Eddie, who are both different in their personalities and who eventually fall in love and they discover the secrets of the universe. It is a homosexual love story, but one of the most beautiful love stories I have ever come across. You want to give me a love story, you give me a love story like Eddie and Dante. Such a heartwarming love story, such a beautiful way of expressing their friendship, their way of love, and how they embraced themselves. Like it's a very beautiful story. No matter if you are homosexual or no matter if you are not, or like whether if you are homosexual or not, you should definitely should give this book a try, because this book is one of the best books I have read till date. And yes, this is like a very beautiful book. You should definitely give this a try. So the first book is Aristotle and Dante Discovers the Secrets of the Universe. Now the second recommendation and my final recommendation for this video is The Ministry of Utmost Happiness by Arundhati Roy. I bought this book in Flipkart sale, so if you have watched that video, you know how a steal deal this book is for me. And if you haven't, you should definitely should check that video out. I don't know what is happening to me, I'm blabbering. Okay, so whatever. So this book is about Aftab, who turns into Anjum. He becomes she is a transgender, so she is a transgender, and it is a story about his transformation, his sufferings. And I have not actually finished this book. I am in middle, but the storyline, the way of expressing the tragic emotions of a transgender is so beautiful, particularly in a country like India, where you are like humiliated often, and being a transgender or hijra is like one of the worst things you can even imagine in your nightmare, and it is about Aftab, who turns from a boy to Anjum, who is a woman. And this book is like really, really, really beautiful. More than beautiful, it is a book you should definitely give a try, because this book talks about the sufferings we should acknowledge. It talks about political scenario. Arundhati Roy has a very beautiful and charming way of bringing out the local flavors. She doesn't paint an ecstatic picture of the country. She doesn't give you like a, oh so nice kind of a picture. She tells you on the face what is the real story. She doesn't give you a false hope or false scenario of what is going on. She tells you what it is. Nothing like masking off and nothing like saying negatively. There are political scenarios you can oppose or you can agree with. That's your personal choice, because political decisions are often your own, but the circumstances and the effects those political effects leave on an individual is what you should grasp from this book. So definitely do give this book a try. I might as well bring out an individual review about this book once I am done. So if you would want it, do write it in the comment section below, because I'm really enjoying. At first I was intimidated by the length. As you can see, it's a thick book. I was not intimidated by the length, but I was actually intimidated because right this moment I don't have so much time to invest in such a thick book, but the language and the way of writing and portraying is so beautiful. It really keeps you hooked. So definitely do give this book a try. So yes, these were the two books for my recommendation part for this Pride month: The Minister of Utmost Happiness by Arundhati Roy, and Aristotle and Dante Discovers the Secrets of the Universe by Benjamin Allaire Saints. The positive quote for today is, be you, do you, and celebrate you. I don't know who said this. I came across it in Pinterest if I'm not wrong, and it really struck me hard. If you're from the LGBTQ community, remember you are you, and that makes you beautiful, no matter if you are different and the world doesn't acknowledge you. It's their problem. We humans are merely judgmental. If God loves you the way you are, then nothing else matters, right? We humans judge other humans constantly, and that's a way of gaining ego and respect for ourselves. Don't get like overwhelmed by the criticisms that humans put on you. You are beautiful because you are unique and God has made you special. Celebrate yourself, be yourself, do you. My LGBTQ friends, you are really beautiful. And for all other people out there, if you are struggling hard, if you are fighting on a daily basis, be proud of yourself for all the struggles you are facing, because that makes you you. You are stronger each day with each fight you are facing, and that's really beautiful, because you have not succumbed to it. So yes, that was for the video. I would like to say something about other than this. I know I'm not active in the YouTube aspect these days. The thing is, I am in the final year of my graduation and the final semester, so I am having like kind of academic pressure more than usual. So balancing YouTube and studies at this moment is not being very like easy task for me. So that is the reason. Please bear with your girl. Please support her the way you have done till date. I promise after all this is over, I will again be consistent, again be active, and again bring you contents more often as I used to do. So yes, that was it. Please keep the support. So if you liked the video, do like it, comment what you liked, what you didn't like, what I should change. Subscribe to my channel if you like me and my videos, my blabberings, and if you're into bookish contents, share it with your friends, family, close ones, and if you're LGBTQ friends, if you think they would love it and enjoy it. So yes, do like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the good things that is necessary for me and for the growth of my channel. Till the next time, bye bye.